Being a housewife is not a reward. Being a woman of leisure is a reward.
Well, that's the same thing.
No, they're not. No, they're not. If you're a woman of leisure, if you are a woman of leisure, you don't have responsibilities. Your responsibility is being a woman of leisure. If you are a housewife, you maintain and you manage the house. That's not a fucking reward. It's a job. Whether it's only 20 hours a week, it's still a job.
If there's no
If you trying to reward me because I was there through the tough times, let me be a woman of leisure. Let me be a kept woman. That is a reward. Rewarding me with washing dishes is not a fucking reward.
Boy, I tell you, boy, I don't think these people really think before they speak. I feel like they just be, oh boy, using the bathroom out of their mouth most of the time. Just talking to hear themselves talk. A woman of leisure. Let's start off by saying that I believe that a woman should be covered from end to end. From the time that, she comes out of the womb to the time that she's married or whatever, I think that she should be covered from end to end. Now, when you are still in the house with your parents, your parent or whatever, when you're around that house, don't you have chores? Male or female, do you not have chores, right? Like, and then after you get from up under your parents' household or whoever, and you are blessed to be married or whatever with someone, what do you think your duty is? When you get married, right, then you have a duty. If you are single and you're just out here or whatever, are you not cooking, cleaning, doing the basics by paying? Are you not doing all these? What's the issue? What's the issue with doing any of what I would honestly consider as just basic-ish, man? You have so many people out here complaining about doing basic human-ish. And if you are lucky or blessed enough to have someone that can provide a certain type of lifestyle where you don't necessarily have to work for somebody else, why the hell would you not get up and make sure that these meals are cooked, that the house is clean? Like, it don't take long and it don't take much. If it's just you and that other person in the household, or if y'all have children, we'll get into that. If it's just you and that other person in the household, 9 times out of 10, if they can afford a certain type of lifestyle where both of y'all can live comfortably, then 9 times out of 10, they're gonna be working most of the time. So you got at least 8 hours to make sure that the house is clean when it's only 2 people in the household. Now, if you have children, again, babies, toddlers, a little wonky. But when you have children, are you not teaching them to clean up after themselves? Like, listen, 4 hands, 6 hands are better than 2. If you're teaching and you're doing all those things that is necessary, that things that women of, yesterday used to do, I don't understand like what people are complaining about, man. A woman of leisure, just because you don't have to work for someone else does not mean that you got free time. You got 24 hours just to be sitting around and sitting on your damn hands all day. Like, what the flip are you doing for those 24 hours? Do you think that your job, do you think your job is just to look pretty and just sit around the house all day? What are you doing? I need to know and understand, like, what are you fighting for? What are you fighting to do? Sit around the house, chill, relax? I'm assuming you don't play video games or anything. So what are you doing throughout the day? I'm trying to make it make sense. Y'all can please let me know down in the comments. Y'all might know something that I don't know. But I don't understand what this young lady is talking about. Make me a kept woman and what you really believe that your only job is to look pretty and to be honest with you, I'm gonna be nice. There are women out here that look better, way more finer, you know what I mean? Got better qualities, and most importantly, a better mindset than this young lady. Why in the world would I waste my time with somebody that thinks the way that she thinks when I can go and get something that looks a million times better, a little bit more my speed or whatever? Like, make it make sense. But I want to hear from y'all, man. Y'all let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Again, when I see and I hear stuff like this, I already know what type of person that I'm dealing with 9 times out of 10, a single person, a person that has never known or understood what it is to get with somebody and grow with that person, to build an empire, to build something with somebody else of the opposite sex. Oftentimes, again, it's coming from a person that has a mindset of being strong and independent and by their mother loving self. But y'all let me know down in the comments, all right? Until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.